In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Lazada GCash number. If you've updated your mobile number with your GCash account or switched SIMs, it's important to make sure Lazada reflects that change so your payments go through smoothly. I'll walk you through the process in a clear, simple way and share a few tips to avoid common hiccups. First, open the Lazada app on your mobile device. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and that you're signed into the correct account where you usually shop. If the app hasn't been updated in a while, updating it can help the menus look exactly like what you see here. Once the app is open, tap on Account at the bottom right of the screen. This is your personal hub on Lazada, where you manage your profile, addresses, orders, and payment methods. Next, tap View. Depending on your app version, this may appear as View All or simply View under your account details. The goal is to open the section that shows more of your account settings and tools so you can access your payment methods without digging around. Now, select Payment Options. This area stores your saved cards, cash on delivery preferences, and digital wallets. It's where you manage how you pay at checkout, and it's the right place to edit your GCash details. Under Digital Wallet, tap on GCash. If you already have a GCash wallet connected, you'll see the current number linked to your account. This is where you can make the change. If you don't immediately see GCash, scroll a bit or check under the Digital Wallet's header. Finally, enter your new GCash number. Take a moment to double-check the digits before you proceed. The number must match the one registered on your GCash account for payments to work. If the app asks you to confirm, save, or continue, follow the on-screen prompts. You may also see a quick verification or confirmation message. This is normal and helps keep your account secure. Once you've updated the number, it's a good idea to glance back at the payment options screen to confirm GCash now shows the new number. The next time you check out, your payment should route through the updated GCash details without any issues. And that's it. By opening the Lazada app, going to Account, tapping View, selecting Payment Options, choosing GCash under Digital Wallet, and entering your new number, you've successfully updated your GCash info in Lazada. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.